one can stop that fib. LarryBoy can.
Drop the asparagus!
Why don't you come and make me, little purple man?
If that's the way it's gotta be!
Larry, what's happening?
The monster is headed toward the Bumbleberg water tower. He is carrying a small asparagus. Alfred, we must find a way to stop this beast!
Yes, I'll get the computer working on it right away. Can you get to the water tower?
The road is blocked. I'm afraid I'll have to go on foot.
Well, I've made a few modifications to the LarryMobile that might just do the trick.
You have?
Well, you know, I like to tinker in my spare time.
Is that what all these new buttons are for?
That's right. Unfortunately, I haven't had time to label them.
Oh dear.
But if you do exactly what I say, everything should work out fine. I think.
Let's see if your little playful friend can help you up here.
What's he doing? Maybe he fell asleep. Well, somebody should go wake him up.
Now, once you get up to speed, all you have to do is press the green button. No, the blue button.
Alfred, I'm going to run out of road. Which button is it?
The blue button. Press the blue button.
Wait, Bert!
The green button. It's the green one.
He's honking. It's part of the plan. Huh?
I am going to die!
Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling. Yell, yell. Yellow.
Well, in the name of Fergus McDonaldson,